If you use tap water for any reason, you'd want to pay attention to this video. Over time, I noticed that my kitchen faucet was losing flow and pressure. I assumed that it has something to do with the public service line or the plumbing in the basement. After doing some research, I found that the public water system and its rusty lines will eventually reach your home. When it does reach your home, your faucet has a protection screen that catches most of the rust and grime. I found a cheap little tool on Amazon, which I'll leave the link in the description, and it probably only took me 5 minutes to change. It comes with multiple filters, so you can change one in your bathroom and the other faucets that you have in your home. This is a product that I believe that everyone should try because you never know what you're ingesting just from tap water.